Ladies and gents, as you know, I'm getting into makeup, and with makeup, basically, this is the first time I'm practicing properly to do my highlighting and contouring. So basically, with the highlighter, you put it on the parts where the sun will touch your face, which would be here, here, there, and here, and where you want to slim out, so define bones, cheekbones, make your nose look smaller by putting the contour on each side of the highlighter, here and there. So now I want to see how it looks like when I blend. Now I've got no idea what to do, but it's tapping apparently. So just tapping it, you don't want to move it, and I don't know why I'm opening mine. And let's see if my nose really starts looking smaller, because now I'm getting 40 and I'm noticing my nose is looking bigger in photos. So maybe I won't have to do a nose job. Okay. Not really noticing anything. So I'm gonna put the highlighter in there. And also under your eyes as well, like concealer to cover. You can also use a light concealer as a highlighter under your eyes, that triangle that people do. Okay, I think all my highlighters are in, so now I'm gonna be doing the contouring lines, just blending them in. Oh, and I got my Boxycharm. Thank you, Misty, the beautiful unique treasure, who so kindly ships it out to me every month. Because I live in Australia, so I need an American friend to have it delivered to their house, and then she delivers it to me in Australia. And the jawline, this is to make that chicken turkey neck disappear. I actually went to a surgeon to inquire about neck liposuction. It's about 7,500 Australian dollars just for your neck area. Well, I'm only 40. I figure I'll wait till I'm 50 to do it, because it's not that bad right now. This is actually working. It's actually no fun. And for the contouring to look good, of course, you have to put, I just put a BB cream. I'll put a bit of concealer underneath first in the bad areas, and then the Rimmel BB cream 9-in-1 is amazing. It's not really... I don't usually wear makeup, and my partner's gone out, so I want to see when he comes back in the house. It's very... This compared to the other YouTube makeup tutorials, this is like very natural. But he picks up on things like that very easily. Like, he hates a lot of makeup, so he'll definitely notice. I just want to see if he says, oh, good job, or it's not looking very good. Okay. Yeah, so this is the bit that frames the face from what I know. This is why you do here and here. It just, to me, it's sticking out too much. I don't know, maybe I need to keep blending. Or maybe it's because I needed to have more of a use more instead of just a BB cream, maybe. But I can definitely see like my face is looking a lot more better than it did without makeup. But I don't really have anywhere to go. Like, look, if I worked in a place where I had to look respectable every day, sure, I'd wear makeup. But I mean, I don't know, maybe if I start doing these makeup tutorials, it's a good excuse. But I think I'm just a crafter at the moment. I don't really know much about makeup, but I want to. So I suppose as I grow as an amateur makeup artist, maybe I will. Alright, look, I know hasn't blended in, but it's defined a bit there, the contouring. So now I use a 3-in-1 blush.